Hello students, welcome to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. So students, in this video, I am going to discuss some very important points related to Tech Mahindra Elevate program, which is not only for 2020 batch but also for 2020 batch, right? So we were getting so many comments on our YouTube, on our Instagram channel, on our Telegram channel as well. So students were asking that what is the end date, what is the registration end date, how sooner should we apply, or when the test will be conducted, what will be the pattern, how to apply, the result when we'll be getting, and how will be the overall process. It is just only internship or will be getting a job opportunity also. So we have tried to cover all those points in this video so that you get answer to all your queries, right? And students, in our previous two videos, we have also discussed the TCS exam pattern, right? So what will be the pattern of the test, what will the questions, important questions, and how we are giving you the free material for that. I've also discussed those things in my previous video, so you can check there. And also I've discussed in very precise way, in very clear way, that how to apply with each and every step in one another video also. So you can check it out. We have uploaded those videos in last 2 days, so you can check those videos. So we'll get to know about all the salary, job location, pattern, the questions, important questions, free material, and as well as each and every step how to apply. So before starting, I would like to take you today to one major thing, that is this. So students, we are getting so many queries regarding, although we have tried to cover so many things, but still there are some things that also we are not very sure about. So what here we have brought you is that, let me just take marker so that I can help you in better way, right? So what you can do, you can share your query here on this email, right? This email is from Tech Mahindra itself. It says elevate helpdesk @techmahindra.com. If you don't want to go to this way, right? So what you have to go, you can go to our Instagram channel, this Instagram account, onlinestudyforyou.placement. There you can get to know about these links, although the link is not updated right now where I am creating video, but by the time when this video will be uploaded on YouTube and you will be watching it, you will be getting here another link through which you going inside this, you will getting several options. Like if you want to get to know what is the link to send email, you will be getting that also. If you want to see what is the link to apply to this Tech Mahindra like opportunity, you will get that link also. So what you have to do, you have to go to this online study for you.placement. You have to search it on Instagram, and then you can follow our account, so getting quick updates, and then you will get the link here so that you will get this to how to send email, right? Now, so without wasting much time, let's move ahead. So coming to the overall process, the overall process in this way, I have very well tried to describe in this a typical flow chart. So it all starts with registration, as you know, that we have uploaded videos also related to how to apply each and every step, right? So what I would like to add here, that by going in this link, you are also getting link of how to apply also, right? This email link also will be getting here, and how to apply link also, both you will be getting by going here. So this registration is the, then what will happen, initial shortlisting. This will be done by Tech Mahindra itself. So what they will do, that according to the percentage you have given here, although they have shared that there is a mark of 60 percentage throughout academics in 10th, 12th, BTech, and if your BTech is not yet completed, BTech or MCA, so if you are in your still in your second semester of MCA or sixth semester of BTech, so aggregate percent, the every average percentage must be 75, sorry, 60. So if it's not that, then those students will be excluded from the further rounds. Also, it also possible that they do not consider all the 60 percentile students. It might be possible that they will consider only those who are 65 or 70, but they do according to how many registration they are getting. Suppose they get, suppose although it is not possible, suppose they get 1 lakh and they have to hire only 2 3,000, then obviously they will exclude those who are till 65 or 70 percentage. Why do will take those much students ahead, right? So this was just a short example what could be this initial short listing actually be. Then coming to this assessment. So in the upcoming slides, I'll be telling you about the how they will be assessment, how the assessment test will be, and for the pattern, the what the actual pattern will be. I've uploaded in video previous to this. You can check that pattern video. But what will be the actual assessment? I'll be covering in this video in upcoming slides. After the assessment, you will have a technical interview before training starts. So you will have an interview. They will check that yes, whatever you have done in your assessment, or are you actually qualified for all those things? Are you actually known to those things? It won't be any difficult one, right? It would be an easier one. So don't worry about it. We will share material for those also when the day will arrive. So technical interview, after then training, how the training would be, the training period, and is it only training or is it only internship and no job opportunity, or job opportunity is also there. I'll be covering in this video. Then after completing training, again you'll be having a technical interview. This interviews for the reason that, okay, you have done your training, now let's check that have you learned anything from your training or not, right? So this interview will be with that purpose. And last will be reports analysis. Some reports will be generated from by your name, that this and this student has been doing very well, and has also passed his technical interview after training, or he is not doing well, means whatever it would be according to your performance. And then you will get opportunity for permanent employee. Okay. So as I told you that I'll be covering what would be the assessment. So assessment will contain aptitude test. The pattern means whatever the duration will be, what are the things will be covered, important topics I have covered in the video, please check it. Then communication and personality assessment test. So here it would be like there are different kinds of communication and personality assessment tests which are conducted. Like it could be an essay test also, right? Or it could be a psychometric test also, where questions are several situations are given and you are asked that what you will do in such and such situation. Like in hexaware, those students who gave hexaware interview or hexaware rounds, they got to know about this personality test, hexaware, these psychometric test. Or those students who gave Capgemini test, they also know about this. Okay, so this is something like that, essay, or there could be psychometric test, situational questions. And then there would be a technical basic coding round. This one is not very sure that there will be a coding round, but whatever information we have got, right? So according to that information, there will be a technical round related to coding, but that would be very very basic, right? So there you can expect very basic questions, means super easy, like even odd, prime number, factorial, Fibonacci, print alternate numbers, print even number in given range, print prime number in given range, like. So we are not very clear on this, but from many of our sources we have got to know about this. So what you can do, you can practice some of the basic of these, and we will cover it. Let the day comes, firstly assessment will be there, the test. When those day will come, we will be uploading videos for this purpose also. Okay, then now I will tell you about the training. What would be the training actually be? So what will happen? That candidate will be guided through 1 month of self-learning prior to 8 months of internship. So what I understand with it, what every other companies are also doing, that you can see here onboarding date is 1st January 2021. It means you're that 6 months or 7 months of that actual training or internship, which will happen on their place, will start from January. I don't think it would be exact 1st January, but it would be in month of January. But before that 1 month, they will share you some online material to you. What I believe that it would be like this only, and you have to complete that, and you have to show that okay, you have done this. So I think this what they mean with 1 month of self learning prior to 8 months or 6 months, whatever it would be, of internship. Then what would happen? You have done 1 month of self learning, then this internship for 6 months or 7 months, 8 months, till June or July, August in 21 next year. And then candidates performances will be carefully monitored. What here I told you, reports and analysis, right? So candidates performance will be carefully monitored. Interview will be again conducted after your this training and internship. Okay, to identify high potential candidate, and confirmation of offer will be communicated at the end of 6 months of internship. Confirmation of offer, this is what actually means with permanent job, right? So it's not only about internship or training which you will be getting through this Tech Mahindra Elevate program, but if you will be selected, doing good, in tech training. See, it's not like you have to do exceptionally good and out of 10 only 8 will be selected or 7 will be selected. They have selected 10. They actually want all those 10 to be as a permanent employee. But if you fail, you are not doing, you are being reckless, you are being lazy or something like these things, if you do, then surely they will not be considering for you as a permanent employee. So there, it's the competition will not be high, it will be yours game. You will do, if you will do anything wrong, then only you will be losing it. They won't be like excluding you that okay, 10 students are there, I have to take only 5. These things won't be there. So here, confirmation of offer actually means that after 6 months in July or August, you will be taken as a permanent employee in Tech Mahindra. Okay, then how to apply? Actually I'm telling this again and again in every video because it might possible that some of students have missed the previous video. That's the only reason why I'm sharing this in every video, how to apply. So what you can do, the very same thing, you have to search on Instagram online study for you dot placement. When you will search it, you have to go to this one, online study for your placement. You can see our logo here also, and here you can see there will be a link will be there. The link will be quite something different what represented here, because by the time this video will be uploaded, we will change the link so that you will getting both the links inside this one, like how to apply also and how to send them mails regarding any query. Okay, so that you will be getting here how to apply or what you have to do. Then registration end date, many students were asking what the last date. So last date is 15th of November 2021. But what I would like to tell you that we have got to know that they will be hiring only like maximum 3000 or 3 like this much approximate, right? So what I will suggest you that please don't wait for this last date, please apply as early as possible, as fast as possible, because suppose they want to hire 3k, they already got 15k or 20k registrations. So they know that out of this 20k they will be obviously getting the 3k best of the candidate which they want. So they might stop this registration link, and the students will be waiting for 15th of November that I'll be applying on last day. They will fail in applying and they will miss this opportunity. That's why I'm saying that don't wait for this registration ends last date. Please apply as soon as possible and please share this among with your friends also. Okay. Then assessment date. What will be the assessment test date? Those all aptitude and psychometric tests, what will be happening? That would be like when you will apply the, see, the date would be variable. It won't be like in like other tests we have, like TCS NQT was on a specific 4 or 6 days. Infosys test was also like on a specific 3 to 4 days, but not in this case. It all depends on which date you are applying. Suppose you applied today, then you can expect your test to be in within 10 to 15 days. But the approximate how what they have decided to conclude all the tests is between 16th November to 30th of November. So as you remember the link, we all got link a day before yesterday, like I think that's on 5th or 6th of November. So you can expect those students who apply on the first day, they will be getting very quickly on 16th to 18th of November, and those who are applying late, they'll be getting their test on around at the end of last week of November, right? Then further shortlisting and results. Similarly, when you will be done with the test, there will be surely be further shortlisting. They will be picking up some top 1000 students for interview purpose. So that all would be done between 1st to 15th of December. And this also again depends on how early you have completed your test. If you have completed your test here on the very starting days, then you will be getting your interview here also in the starting few days. But they will cover all the interviews in between 1st December to 15th of December. So that, as I told you, that they will be also giving 1 month like self-paced, what I just told here, 1 month of self-learning also they will be there. And after then in January you will be joining there, right, for 6 months internship or training. So now here I'm as promised, if you are curious about what would the paper pattern actually, what is the duration of exam, what are the important topics which we should learn, right, and free preparation material as well. So what you have to do, you have to do nothing, you have to go to on our channel, and we have uploaded it. Our last video was this one only, which included all these details, Tech Mahindra recruitment pattern, where we also discuss important topics as well as free preparation material link. Since there is negative marking also, like, and there are several other things also which you should know. So please go to this video, watch this video also, and share as much as possible so that your friends also get benefited. Okay, now last but not the least, what we have done here for you all students, that see, you can share your queries to TCS also, see, to Tech Mahindra also. I just shared you email also, and their link is available to that email ID on our Instagram bio, right? But there are some questions which you have, like regarding pattern, or if you want some of a premium material or something like that. So what you can do, you can join our Telegram channel, that is online study for you. Here the link is also there, t.me/free_placement_material. You can join here, and this link, this group is not private, this is public group. Anyone can join it, anyone can share your query, right? And then we'll be very happy to help you in all the possible way. So students, please, I will request to send your queries here if you are not getting the correct reply or solution to your query on YouTube comments, right? So I hope you like this video. I tried to cover all the things which were important regarding this Tech Mahindra contest. Hope you start your preparation soon. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, keep learning.